This here is an Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi, and I've coded it so I can control the buzzer, onboard LED, and this servo from a completely different device over Wi-Fi. To control it hosts a simple website over an IP address with lots of different buttons on it which you can use to control everything on here. To do this, it connects to a Wi-Fi using this little ESP32 board. This can also allow you to do many other things, but this is what I thought I'd start with because I'm quite new to Arduinos and it's not too hard. Next, I'll show you a video of all the components on here working over Wi-Fi. This here is the website I designed through the code to control the Arduino. I'll also show you each button one by one and what it does. So this button opens and closes that like that. And then this button here opens it. And then this button over here closes it. Then this button here displays a heart on a 12 by 8 LED matrix over there. And then this button here called clear matrix, which is there, clears the matrix and turns all the LEDs off. The next button is this one, which buzzes the buzzer for 1 second, and this one for 2 seconds, and then this one, which you can't see, buzzes it 4 times. This button here also flashes the LED 4 times, and this button just turns it on, and then this button just turns it off. This sticker up here is also saying this website is not secure. Now this is just because my browser is not used to opening a website hosted by an Arduino, and because it's just an IP address, not an actual web page name. Now even though it does say not secure, I've tried this website on many devices and there's been no issues for me. So this here is the Arduino code that I used to program it all, and in total there's 223 lines, which is quite a lot compared to some of the other projects I've made. Now, pretty much the two most important lines are these two, the ones that give the Wi-Fi information, the SSID and password. Now, the SSID is just another way of saying the network name, which is different depending on your network provider, and then your password is, of course, the network password. And then the Arduino uses these two to scan the networks nearby and then connects to the right one. Now, if we scroll down here, we can see all the code that builds up the web page. Now, if I were to view the source code on the web page, it would be exactly the same as this. Now, that was just some of the code, and the rest of it goes towards building up the web page and then sending data to the Arduino over Wi-Fi. Now, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you want to make something like this for yourself, there's many tutorials online.